Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 48. 있어요, 있어요. The word 있어요 is used to say I have or there is. This could also be used to say that something is at a certain location. How do you write 있어요 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, it or is, we need to draw first a placeholder ing followed by an e character followed by a sang-siyot or double siyot character. For the second syllable o, we need to draw first a placeholder ing and an o character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw a placeholder ing and the yo character. Now let's try looking into this example sentence. It says 시간 있어요, 시간 있어요. And this sentence could be subdivided into 2. The first part is 시간, which means time, and the second part is 있어요, which is our word for today. And one interpretation or use of this is to ask whether you have something or not. So when we combine these two, it would result to 시간 있어요, which is the same as asking, do you have time? So with that, you've just learned 있어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 38 to 47. But don't forget our word for today, word number 48, 있어요, and this is used to say there is, it exists, or I have. The first word for our review is word number 47, 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word is 미안해, and this is used to say I'm sorry in an informal manner. Next word is 집, and this is used to say home. Next word is 시간, which means time. Next word for our review is 고양이, which means cat. Next word for our review is 학생, which means student. Next word is word number 41, 아니에요, which is used to say it is not. Word number 40 is ne or de, and this is used to say yes in a polite and casual manner. Next word is 아니요, and this is used to say no in a polite manner. And the last word for our review is word number 38, check, which means book. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 49. 없어요, 없어요. The Korean word 없어요 is the opposite of 있어요. This is used to say I don't have or there isn't. Again, 없어요 is the opposite of 있어요. How do we write 없어요 in Hangul? For the first syllable ops, we need to draw first a placeholder ing, an o character, a beep character, and a siot character. For the second syllable O, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong followed by an O character. And then for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word 없어요. Now let's try looking into this example sentence. It says 물 없어요. Again, 물 없어요. This sentence could be subdivided into two. The first word is 물, and this is the Korean term for water. The second part is 없어요, which is our word for today, and this is used to say that you don't have something or there is no something. So when we say 물 없어요, it's the same as saying there is no water. So again, 물 없어요 is translated into English as there is no water. And with that, you've just learned 없어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 39 to 48. But don't forget our word for today, word number 49, 없어요, which is used to say, I don't have or there isn't. The first word for our review is word number 48, 있어요, and this is used to say, I have or there is. Next word for our review is word number 47, 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word for our review is word number 46, 미안해, and this is used to say, I'm sorry. Next word for our review is 집, which means home. Next word is 시간, and this is used to say time. Next word is 고양이, and this is the Korean term for cat. Next word is 학생, and this is the Korean term for student. Next word for our review is 아니에요, and this is used to say it is not. Next word is word number 40, ne or de, and this is used to say yes in a polite and casual manner. And the last word for our review is 아니요. This is used to say no in a polite manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.